What we learned yesterday is that if you have a plus b to the power of 5, what do you write down the expansion as? 5c0, what? A to the power of 5 plus 5c1, a4 and b. Next one, 5c2, a3 and b2, 5c3, a2 and b3. Next one, 5c4, ab4, and then finally, it just takes up so much space. I'll say this in the video because it's grim. Now, next, what's a 5c5? What? B to the power of 5. Now, in this case, I don't have a and b, do I? I have 1 and 2x. So what do we do instead? 5c0, 1 to the power of 5. 5c1, what's the next one? 1 to the power of 4 and 2x. Plus 5c2, 2x to the power of 2. Next one, 5c3, 1 squared and 2x cubed, and finally 5c4. What's that? 1 by 2x to the power of 4, and finally 5c5. Oh god, 2x to the power of 5. Now, let's start off with these numbers. What's 5c0? 1 times 1? 1. What's 5c1? 5 times 2x. Next one, 5c2. 5c2, guys? 10. 10 times 1 cubed? 10. 10 times, what's 2x to be squared? 4x squared times 10? 40 x squared. Next one, 5c3, a squared plus b cubed is going to be, 5c3 is what, 15? Yeah? And what's 2x to be cubed? What's 2x times 2x times 2x? And what's 8x cubed multiplied by 15? X cubed multiplied by 15? Oh, sorry, 5c3 is 10, is it? So what's 8 times 10? 80. Do I have to finish this? Good. And what's my answer? The coefficient of the fourth term is 80. Everybody happy enough with that? Yes? You could have just done the fourth term on its own. Yes. Using those numbers, 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3. So, when you're a bit more used to these, what you realize is 5c0 is the first one, 5c2 is the second term. So 5c1 is the second term, 5c2 is the third term, and then 5c3 is the fourth term. So really we should have just zoned in on, that part, shouldn't we? And not worried about anything else. Does that make sense? Alright. Question 9. Expand fully the following. Is there any of these you want me to do? Yes. 3, okay? Now, in 9 part 3, guys, once again, what did we learn earlier on? We learned that a plus b to the power of 5 is, once again, 5c0 up to a5, 5c1, a4b. It gets quicker now, doesn't it? 5c2, a3, b2, 5c3, a2, b3, 5C4, what's it? A4B1, and finally 5C5, what is it? A5. Everybody cool with that? Now, in this case, what's A and what's B? A is P and B is minus 4Q. The minus makes it complicated because it starts bobbling between minus and plus a little bit. So you have to watch out for that, okay? So here's the first thing. What is 5C0? That's 1, that's 5. 5C2 is? What's 5C2? What's 5C3? And that's 5 and that's 1. Do you notice the shortcut? You only ever need to get halfway and then it's symmetrical on the way down. Do you see that? That's a shortcut. Okay. Next thing. What's A to the power 5? So it's P to the power 5, isn't it? What's the next one? 5P by minus 4Q. What's the next one? 10P cubed times minus 4Q. What's after that then? Minus 4Q squared. And after that, guys, what's next? 10P squared minus 4Q cubed. After that, 5P4 times minus 4Q. And finally the last one, 1 into minus 4Q to the power of 5. Now, Haymans. Oh, this one here. 5P and that to the power of 4. Perfect, thank you. P5, what's next? Minus 20 PQ after that. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake there. That's P4, isn't it? P5, P4, P3, P2, P1. Q squared, Q cubed, Q to the power 4, Q to the power 5. Doesn't look like that, you've done something wrong. So what's the next one? 16 by 10, 160 P cubed, Q squared. What was the next one? Minus 4 by minus 4 by minus 4. Minus 640, because you only multiply by 10. P squared, Q cubed. Next one. Minus 4 by minus 4 by minus 4 by yet another minus 4. 256 times 5. Or simply 5 times minus 4 to the power of 4. 1280. It's going to be a plus. P, Q, 4. And finally the last one. Does anybody see any patterns in here? Anybody see any patterns? And if so, what patterns do you see? Yeah, that one is, but the other pattern is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Okay? Everybody got that? Just ignore me, alright? Because I'm just doing it the long way anyway, alright? So just ignore me for a minute. Alright guys, I'm going to do a plus b to the power 9, a generic term for this. So it's going to be 9c0, a9, and plus 9c1, a8, b1, plus 9c2, a7, b2, and then finally 9c3, which is the fourth term. That's what we're looking for. A6, B3. So we are looking for the 9th term here. So we're looking for the 4th term. It's this one here. In this case, A equals 1, X, and B equals minus 3Y over 2. So it's going to be 9c3, 1x to the power of 6, and minus 3y over 2 to the power of 3. There's the calculator. 9c3, 84. So it's going to be 84 multiplied by minus 3 over 2 to the power of 3. Minus 567 over 2. X6, Y3. We good? You've noticed in the past is this, that, yeah, you've noticed already that 4C1 is the same as 4C3. Would that make sense? You've noticed that 5C1 is the same as 5C what? 4. You've noticed that 5C2 is actually the same as 5C3. Out of interest, NCR is the same as what? Take away the bottom number, isn't it? What's 5 take away 2? 3. Okay? In this case, what do you think the answer is for question 4? 16 take away 12? Same answer, aren't they? What about question 3? They're pretty handy, aren't they? No waste of time there, all right? So in class now, because I don't want to move us too fast, can you guys do, yeah, I want you to do 8, 11, 13, 15. Eight, 11, 13, and 15.